In our topic of multiplications, let's see the next topic, that is any number into series of nines. In this, we have three aspects. Let me tell you what they are. The first one is called equal digit into equal lines. Equal digits times equal nines. That's the first one. The second aspect is less digits into more lines. Less digits times more lines. And the final one is more digits times less lines. We'll see all the three aspects, okay? Now we'll first start with the smaller one, okay? That is equal digits times equal lines, okay? Now let's posit an example like how much is 8,243 times 9,999. For an ordinary person to multiply this, he may take more than 3 to 4 minutes. But applying the Vedic mathematics technique, I can write the answer in just about 3 to 4 seconds. You won't believe me? Take a look at your watches, okay? I'll take just about 3 to 4 seconds, okay? The answer for this is 82421757. That's the answer. You can check your watches. Probably I've taken just 3 to 4 seconds. Now you're wondering, how is it possible? Now there's a very wonderful technique in the Vedic mathematics called as Eka Nyunena Purvena. Okay. Now what does this technique says? From the given number, subtract 1. Now why we need to do that subtraction of 1? Okay. Now I told you the Indians developed Vedic mathematics with base 10. So taking 10 as the base, they understood 9 like this. 9 is equal to 10 minus 1. So the LHS is equal to RHS, right? So that's it. So based on this concept, they developed this Eka Nyunena Purvena. Now, first what you have to do is from the given number subtract 1. So 8243 minus 1, you get 8242. Now take a look at this. When I did minus 1, I got half the answer. Now how I got the remaining half answer? Very simple. Every single digit in 8242, you must add to 9. Okay. Now 8 plus how much is 9? It is 1. So I wrote 1 there. 2 plus how much is 9? It is 7. 4 plus how much is 9? It is 5. 2 plus how much is 9? It is 7. And that's the answer. Okay, let's see one more example under the same heading of equal digits and equal lines. You get number something like 7,514 times 9,999. A number something like 647 times 999. Mind you, the LHS and the RHS digits must match. Okay. So in this case, what you have to do? From the given number, subtract 1. You get 7513. Now every digit in 7513, add to 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. 1 plus 8 is 9. And 3 plus 6 is 9. Okay. So that's it. Now similarly here, 647 minus 1, you get 646. Okay. Now every digit add to 9. So I get, got it. So 6 plus 3 is 9, 4 plus 5 is 9, and 6 plus 3 is 9, and that's the answer. Okay, now let's see under the heading of less digits into more lines, under the same extended series of lines. Okay, we'll see less digits into more lines. Okay, if you get a number like 584 into 59, see, here the LHS digits are less, in the RHS 9s are more. Even then the technique remains the same. So what you must do is, the first thing is, you first balance the numbers to 5 digits. Like, you have 3 digits and 5 nines. So just put 2 zeros before this and then balance it to 5 digits. Now you can apply the same technique what we applied in the previous technique. Okay. From the given number, subtract 1. 00584 minus 1. So you get 00583. Okay. Now every digit you must add to 9. So first is 0. 0 plus how much is 9? It is 9. So again 0 plus how much is 9? It is 9. 5 plus how much is 9? It is 4. 8 plus how much is 9? It is 1. The last number 3. 3 plus how much is 9? It is 6, and that's the final answer. So whenever you get less digits and more lines, you can put some more zeros before that number to balance it to the RHS numbers, and then apply the previous technique, that is equal digits into equal lines. Okay, let's pause at one more example. 8257 into 69. So less digits into more lines. Now balance, by putting zeros, balance it to the RHS number. So there are 2 numbers deficit. So just put 2 zeros before the number. Now it has been balanced. Okay. You have 6 digits in the LHS and 6 digits in the RHS. Now, first minus 1. Okay, you get 0, 0, 8, 2, 5, 6. Right? Now, every digit in this number you must add to 9. Okay? 0 plus how much is 9? It is 9. Again 0 plus 9. 8 plus 1. 2 plus 7. And 5 plus 4. And 6 plus 3. And that's the final answer. Now let's see the next aspect, that is more digits into less nines. Now take a look at this. More digits and less nines. If you get in the LHS more numbers, in the RHS we get less nines, it becomes something like this. Or if a number is there something like this, 3, 8, 4, 6 times 99. Even then this becomes this aspect, more digits into less nines. We'll first start with this one. 435 times 9, how much? Okay, what do you have to do? First I'll be trying to teach you like a layman. Okay, now how many nines there? There's one 9. Okay, so what you must do, after the given number put 1 0 and subtract the same number. The same number was 4, 3, 5 from it. Now this becomes 10 and this becomes 1. I think it's a bit difficult for you to understand what is 10 and 1. Okay, I'll put it in a simple language. Now 3 times 1, 3 ones are, it is 3. Okay, 3 twos are, it is 6. How much is 3 tens are? It is 30. If 1 is 3, 10 is 30. Similarly, if 43 is 1, how much is 10? It becomes 430, right? If 52 is 1, how much is 10? It becomes 520. Got it? So similarly, if 435 is 1, how much is 10? Okay, it becomes 4350. So that's it. You do 10 minus 1, you get 9. Okay, so 10 minus 1, you get 9. Similarly, 10 minus 1, you get 9. That means you have to subtract from the top number the bottom number. Okay, so 4350 minus 435, you get the answer. Okay, now 4, the same technique what I taught you in the concepts of subtractions before this topic. Okay, start from left. 4, next place mismatch, so write 3. 4 complement 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, next place match, so write 9 only. 5 minus 3 is 2, but mismatch, so write 1. Now 5 complement is 5, and that's the answer. Okay, now let's postulate one more example. 8342 times 99, how much? Now 9 means 10 minus 1. 99 means very simply 100 minus 1. Or very simply, how many 9s out there? There are 2 9s. So what you have to do, after the given number, put 2 9s and subtract the same number from it. Now mind you, when you are writing the bottom number, make it a point, you are writing in the proper place. 1s under 1s, 10s under 10s, and so forth. Okay, now start. Now 83, you have to subtract from, the mind and the subtract. Okay, from top number subtract the bottom number. 83, next place is a mismatch, so 83 becomes 82. 8 complement 2, 2 plus 4 is 6, next place mismatch, 6 becomes 5. 3 complement 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, but next place mismatch, 9 becomes 8. 4 complement 6, but next place mismatch, 6 becomes 5, and 2 complement is 8, and that's the answer.